welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to enable and task in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So let's say you want to entask this Chrome. So if you right click, there will be, option to entask, but there is no option here. So you have to turn it on first or enable it first. So in order to do that, you can go to settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your system in the left side menu and scroll down until you find advanced. Click on it, and then you will see there is end task option. Enable and task in taskbars by right click. So you can just click this toggle to activate it. After that, let's try. You can right click in the Chrome here. Oops, like this. And there's option to end task. You can click on it and it's ended. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to join our membership. Thank you.